How to add captions to YouTube videos automatically 2026 full tutorial. Now, if you're uploading videos in 2026 and not using captions, you're leaving a massive amount of engagement on the table. Now, because the way people consume content has changed, a huge percentage of viewers now watch videos without any sound, whether they're scrolling in public, multitasking, or just need to use silent outplay. Okay. Now, that's exactly where captions become very critical. On platforms like YouTube, captions are no longer just an accessibility feature. They're going to be a performance tool. They improve watch time, increase retention, and make your content easier to understand. But here is the problem. Most creators are either going to ignore the captions completely or assume automatic ones are good enough without checking them. So in this tutorial, we're going to break down how to add captions automatically the right way, how to edit them properly, and how to use captions as part of your overall content strategy. Now, before we get into the steps, it's important to understand how automatic captions actually will work. When you upload a video to YouTube, so let's say we click on create and click on upload video, the platform is going to use speech recognition to generate captions based on the audio that you're putting out. Now, this process is usually quite fast and happens automatically in the background. However, one thing you should know is that it is not perfect. Accuracy depends on factors like audio clarity, accent, background noise, and speaking speed. So, if I click on select files, you can actually see the actual refinement and work it goes through. So, once we do that, as you can see, the uploading goes on. Once that is done, you can see it will go ahead and start loading things in. So all these things like SD and everything is it understanding the audio. So while automatic captions are going to give you a strong starting point, they often need refinement. And that is where most creators either improve their content or they're going to leave it looking quite unpolished. Now let's walk through the process step by step, shall we? First of all, you're going to start with uploading your video as normal. So I'm going to go ahead and call this cover. Okay, you can go ahead and upload a file, a thumbnail, to make it however you want it to look. So I'm going to come right here and upload this. Once we upload that, we have this whole file. Now, once this is done, fill in your title, description, and other details. And once all of that is done, simply click on next. No, it is not for kids. Next. Then you can add subtitles right here. Okay. So this is your caption section. Okay. Now also do make sure that your video is fully uploaded. Okay, because YouTube will begin generating captions automatically. Now this can take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. And at this stage, you don't need to do anything, but you do need to come back and check the captions once they're ready. Now, while this is happening, you can also add your very own captions, maybe captions that you have created yourself, or you can edit like this over here. So you can type them manually if you want to. So let's say from 0 to, let's go with the frame of 2 seconds or 2 seconds. Okay. Now, in this small frame, you could have the caption like life is a waterfall. Okay. We're going to go ahead and write that in. Then moving on from 02 to, let's go with 03. Okay. Just like this, you can accordingly adjust captions for yourself. It is that simple and it is that straightforward. This gives you the correct integrity of how you want to add your captions. So once you play it, people are going to see it like this. In the start, the captions just appeared like that. Now you can do this process, which is a pretty slow process. It does take you a lot of time. Now you can either go through with that. Okay. That's one of the ways. Now, the next way, or the other ways you can do, is simply wait for the video to fully upload. Make sure there are no copyrights. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and publicize the video, or you can even keep it unlisted if you want to make sure your captions are fine. You click on done, and you let the video, soothe in, go into the environment and, adjust itself. So once you're here, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, find your video, and navigate to the subtitles or captions section. So here we have our video open. Here's the subtitles section. You can open it up. Once you open it up, here you're going to see automatically generated content. Okay. If they've automatically generated the captions, they're going to appear here. If they're not automatically generated, you can wait more. You can see if the automatic generations have been done. In the case they haven't, then the manual is going to come in. You're going to notice something important. The structure is going to be there, but there's going to be mistakes. Words might be slightly off, punctuations may be missing, and timing might not exactly be perfect. So that is where you step in. You can edit text directly, adjust timing, and refine the captions to match your video accurately. This step is really crucial because clean captions don't just improve accessibility, they improve professionalism. So, to make your captions better, you can start with clarity, fix any incorrect words, move them to punctuation. Adding proper punctuation makes captions pretty easy to read and understand. The new thing that you can do is timing. Make sure captions appear at the right moment and stay on screen long enough to be read comfortably. And finally, there's formatting, where you can break long sentences into shorter segments. Now, this improves readability, especially on mobile devices. And of course, you can also upload a file with timing. Then there's the auto sync, where you can automatically map text to the timeline. So you can play the video and it says pause while typing. So you can do that. Let me decrease the volume. So I can write swimming through the void, we say. Okay. So this comes here. Then you can edit the timings accordingly. So they've adjusted the timings. Then you're going to plus it in. Then you can write always want to go, but you never want to stay. Okay. Now that I've adjusted it like that, I'm going to go back and I'm going to see how it looks. Okay. Play it. Now we can see that always want to go came around pretty early right here. So you can simply go ahead and cut this out of here by changing the time sections in this space. And obviously, just like this, slowly and steadily, you can create your own captions for yourself. That's how simple and straightforward it is. Now, while YouTube provides automatic captions, you can go ahead and use external tools for more control, like CapCut or Descript, which allow you to generate and style captions before uploading your video. Now, these tools give you more customization. You can adjust fonts, colors, and positioning. This is especially useful for content where captions are part of the visual style. So once you generate captions externally, you can either burn them into your video or upload them as a subtitle file. So let's go over some mistakes. Relying completely on automatic captions without editing them, ignoring punctuation and formatting, using captions that are too fast or too long, and not considering how your captions look on mobile. These issues are going to reduce the effectiveness of your captions. So fixing them can significantly improve your clarity and make things so much better. So, if you've been skipping captions or relying on default settings, now is the time to fix that because it's one of the simplest ways to improve your content immediately. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed and found it helpful, do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.